This French learning adventure can be pretty overwhelming at times, but I have some good news for you today. Today, you're finally getting a comprehensive framework which is easy to grasp. If that sounds interesting, keep watching. My name is Angèle Préto, and on this channel, we talk about what it really takes to learn French. I make new videos every Monday, so if you are learning French or you want to learn French, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss my upcoming videos. In this video, I will share the exact system that I use with my one-on-one clients and in my group program. I have created and fine-tuned this system after a master's degree in language teaching and 15 years of trial and error working with hundreds of students, mostly one-on-one. So you can imagine that there is a lot that goes into it, and it would not be possible to fit everything in a 5-minute video. So this video is meant to give you a bird's eye view of the system so you better understand how all the elements that I talk about in other videos fit together. And so this system that we use, or that I use with my clients, is called Your Roadmap to Fluency, because it is meant to take you from wherever you are in your French study to fluency. And it's called Your Roadmap to Fluency because it is highly personalized, and in fact, I custom design it for every single client. So whenever I get a new client one-on-one, I start by creating their roadmap to fluency for them. The roadmap to fluency is a 3-page document which looks like this. This is one that I made for a particular client. So normally the client's name goes here in this blank slot, but I just removed it for privacy. If you don't work one-on-one with me, but you join my group program, you will start by learning how to create a similar plan for yourself. In that program, every single one of these 3 pages corresponds to a 60 to 90 minutes workshop. So I will do my best to summarize quickly here so you get the gist. If you would like to join us to get the full version, you will find the link in the description below. The first page is about your routine, your activities, and your schedule. The whole roadmap is personalized, so this page also needs to be adapted to your existing daily life. So it's not about overhauling your entire life. It's about taking the life that you already have and fitting some French learning in there. So adding some habits or fine-tuning your habits so that it works better. So on this page, you have one-time actions, which are the first few things that you need to do just once when you receive this plan. And then you have some daily actions. I have made a video about the 2 daily habits that you really need to learn French. So I will put the link somewhere here and in the description below. And then you have the weekly actions. Typically, I recommend at least 1 hour of focused study session, either with me or with a tutor or a teacher or another coach or a language partner. Of course, if you are signing up to work with me one-on-one, then that will be your weekly session with me, which goes here. Okay, then you have at least 1 monthly action, and that's generally to review this plan and make sure that it is still up to date, and also to track your progress. So tracking your progress is something that you can do on page 2. This is basically a list of content that you need to study in French. It is also highly personalized, and it details the things that you need to learn. So you, not someone else, in order to reach your ideal French level, which is not the same as the next person, just because you have your own goals, dreams, you have your own career, your own priorities, and what you want to be doing with the French language is just not the same that someone else wants to be doing. So when I work with a new client one-on-one, I detail what they need to learn based on their own goals. And of course, if you join the French Fluency Accelerator, you will have a full workshop that walks you step by step through how to do it. I also have a 15-minute video that explains this part in detail, how it gets created and how it is used to track your progress. So I won't go into more details now, but I put the link here and in the description below so you can watch it later. Page 3 is about your resources, and this is where you store the helpful resources that you have, such as good books that fit your level and French things to watch and to listen to, for example, podcasts and YouTube channels for what I call the daily French bath. I have spoken about the daily French bath in my video about how to learn French in just 1 click, which is what you can do if you know what to click on. So the links where you can click to learn French in just 1 click are stored on this page. This page is also highly personalized because, of course, what you enjoy is not the same thing as what everybody else enjoys. So for every new client, I make a new list of things that I think they will enjoy based on what they have told me about their goals and their own personality. I actually spend a full hour finding out about every new client just so I can make this plan for them. So this is the system that I use. It looks simple enough and it is highly actionable, even if you have absolutely no language learning experience. In fact, there is even a way to evaluate your level here, which does not rely on complicated and cryptic terms like A1, A2, etc., but instead we use sentences that everybody can understand, such as I can try, I suck at it, but at least I can get started, or I can do it, but it's quite uncomfortable, or I can do it easily, no problem at all. And these are the kind of things that we use to track your level and your progress, and it's just made to be simple, easy, and actionable. This was a very quick overview of the complete system that I use. Like I said, you have many other videos on this channel that you can check out, which explains the different things that I've spoken about really quickly in this video. If you have learned something from this video, please click the like button because it really helps other French learners like you find the channel. Make sure to also subscribe to this channel because I have a lot of great videos upcoming and there will be a new one every Monday. And if you'd like some more personalized help to learn French, I would love to work with you one-on-one or to welcome you in my group program, the French Fluency Accelerator. As usual, you'll find all the links about that in the description below. My name is Angèle Preto and I will see you next Monday.